In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best portable power stations available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the portable power stations list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the portable power stations mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, BLUETTI AC180 Solar Power Station. The BLUETTI AC180 packs 1800W output and 1152Wh capacity, offering serious power for appliances, tools, and outdoor gear. Its advanced LiFePO4 battery ensures long life and high efficiency, while solar charging capability keeps it running off-grid. With multiple output ports, it's perfect for home backup or camping. Built tough and quiet, it delivers premium performance for portable energy needs. Experience unmatched reliability wherever you go. Number 4, Ctolity AP200L 200W Solar Generator. The Ctolity AP200L delivers 200W output with a 192Wh LiFePO4 battery, offering up to 60,000 mAh capacity for your essentials. It includes AC, DC/USB outputs, solar charging support, and a built-in LED light for nighttime use. Compact and rugged, it's ideal for camping, travel, and home backup. With efficient energy conversion and fast charging, it's a dependable companion for all outdoor adventures. Perfect for those who love freedom and flexibility. Number 3, ALLPOWERS Solar Kit 600W Station. The ALLPOWERS Solar Panel Kit combines 100W, 200W solar panels with a 600W LiFePO4 power station for reliable green energy anywhere. It supports multiple devices with AC and DC outputs, while the UPS function ensures constant power backup. Compact and foldable, the panels make it easy to recharge in sunlight, making this an excellent option for camping, outdoor work, and emergency situations. Power your life sustainably with the sun. Number 2, 300W Solar Power Station. This 300W 296Wh solar generator provides stable power with AC outlets, DC ports, and a quick charge USB option. It's powered by a durable lithium battery, ensuring long-lasting performance for outdoor trips and emergency power needs. The built-in LED flashlight enhances its utility for night use. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's a practical choice for campers, RV users, and off-grid enthusiasts. Dependable energy for your outdoor lifestyle. Number 1, ECOFLOW River 3 Portable Station. The ECOFLOW River 3 is a powerful 230Wh LiFePO4 portable power station built for modern adventures. It delivers up to 600W AC output, ideal for charging laptops, drones, and small appliances. With fast recharging technology, it reaches 80% in under an hour. Compact yet durable, it's perfect for camping, emergency backup, or off-grid power use. Reliable, eco-friendly, and travel-ready, it's a smart energy solution for 2025. A must-have for anyone seeking efficient portable power.